I'm off to school. Got hopefully a good day coming ahead of me because one, it's the end of the week, so that's good. Tomorrow at the park, there's that festival going on at night with the taiko and everybody dancing around it, and then a bunch of games to play for the little kids and stuff. I'll be going there. That should be fun and interesting for you guys to watch because there's none of that in America. Sunday there's church, but we're also going to Kamioka to go shopping for a couple things and maybe an extra little accessory for this camera. 2 extra little accessories for it, maybe, if it works out. If not, then oh well. I'm starting to sweat a little bit now. It's pretty hot outside today. Nene came to pick me up, and now we're gonna go pick up Oba-chan. So, Oba-chan, toi?
10 minutes ぐらい。
10 minutes? Nene, 元気ですか？
元気です。
よかった。
めちゃめちゃ元気ですか？
はい、元気です。
よかった。
今日学校ないから、よかったね。
そうね、よかったね。
Welcome to the car. Welcome. ちゃんぽん。
ちゃんぽんそっちだったから駅でも。
はい、おばあちゃん元気ですか？
元気です。
よかった。She just got her other eye.
ちょっと大通り出なきゃダメだったね。
Other eye just got surgery.
どうせ教室
The surgery is for like a fogginess, not like blurriness. It's more like a fogginess, and you get old, and it has like a layer of fog over your eyes, and then you just gotta clear that out. And that's what she did. So okay, made it. Going out as a family. Yeah. Alright, so now we're just kind of walking around. I can take these off now. Ooh. これ押すの？
決まったらね。
これはシーフード？
シーフード。あ、でもこれはミートだよ。ポークでしょ。シーフードが入ってるね。
美味しい。
あ、緑か。あ、緑がいいな。
ベンジャミンは餃子はハーフでいい？3なの？3でいい？皿うどんのランチセット、あ、餃子5個のランチセット。皿うどんと餃子5個のランチセット。はい。はい。それから長崎ちゃんぽんの餃子3個のランチを2つ。はい。メニューは調理できますか？どちらのメニューですか？あ、普通でいいです。はい。以上ですね。
はい、以上です。
ご注文いたします。ミートのちゃんぽんお一つ、皿うどんと餃子セットランチお一つ、ちゃんぽんと3個ランチセット2つ。以上ですね。はい。はい、少々お待ちください。
チャイナの人。
誰？
今の人。
本当？
そうよ。
分かんなかった。
わかるでしょう。日本語はベンちゃんよりはちょっと上手かな。
でもチャイニーズのジャパニーズだね。
アクセントはベンの方がいいよな。
本当？
アクセントはベンちゃんの方がいい。
じゃないよ。分かんなかった。ちゃんぽん。ちゃんぽん。おじいちゃん。
おじいちゃんちゃんぽんじゃないよ。
はい、ちゃんぽん。looks good. 美味しい？
美味しいよ。美味しい。
食べた？
食べた。
I just took a nap for quite a long time. おはよう。おはよう。Just finished the bath. I totally just didn't get 50 plus bucks. Hold on. Totally didn't just get 100 bucks from my grandma. I'm gonna not use any of that. Give it back. Ah, overexposed. Nana's watching TV.面白いあげるお誕生日そうでも何に使うの Okay, just got back from here and I took a bath like an hour and a half or 3 hours ago. 4. Anyways, I was watching like a documentary of cuttlefish for some random reason. I have no clue why. Andrew called me on Skype, so I was like, oh, actually that was wrong. I called him. Yeah. Oh wait, they can't hear you. Boom! Magic. Now they can. So here he is. Boom.
What's up?
I don't know how well you guys can see. Ah, that's good, yeah. So how's your day?
It's doing epic. It's a good morning.
I love how Josh is up here in the corner.
What?
Josh is up there in the corner.
Josh is up here.
Hey Josh.
Hey guys. Yep. He's weird. Anyways.
Yeah, he is weird.
I'm famous now.
What, was he born in a hospital or something?
Yep.
So,
This is awkward.
tomorrow, I'm riding
What?
a GTR.
Sweet.
Or,
Tomorrow?
yeah, tomorrow. I should be, I don't know if I'm riding it, but I know I'm going to see plenty.
Sweet.
Yeah, I'm really excited about that.
But I won't think that's awesome until you drive it, you know? You gotta drive it to impress me.
Okay, bye, I'll see you later. No, I'm just kidding. It's funny because this camera is picking up your face through the screen. Like, I don't know if you can see. It's like actually picking up your
It's
face.
a second slow. See, I do this, and then it does it. That's weird.
That is weird. So, I just wanted to end the vlog, and Andrew wanted to be in it, so I was like, okay. Whoa, it's super orange. That's cool. Oh, wait. Okay, anyways. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys tomorrow with the GTRs. That should be a really fun day, and I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys later, because I said that already, so I'll see you guys later.